welcome back, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Toni again with another video. If it's your first time stopping by, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. So more than emotionally invested.
So yeah, it's your girl Toni. We're back with another vloggy. You guys already know I love the vlogs. I love doing vlogs. I love watching vlogs. So hopefully I can get known from my vlogs, because I'm trying to step up the game this year with the vlogs. But today, let's do a time check. Today is Saturday, the 8th of January. It's currently 3:36, and we're in a new setup. We're in my room because I feel like you guys are tired of the kitchen setup, so I was like, let's come to my room and talk face to face. But yeah, hope you guys have your snacks ready, because it's gonna be a good vlog. I'm manifesting it. It's gonna be a good vlog. Basically, I got a bunch of deliveries from Postman yesterday, so I'm gonna unbox them with you guys and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Majority of the stuff that I got is like stuff that I ordered last year and I wasn't at home to collect them, so they had to get them delivered. But yeah, let's do a little unboxing. Bought me yesterday. So first thing we're gonna start off with is stuff that's already opened, because it just makes sense. Okay, first of all, my first one is this screen protector. Basically, I got myself an iPad for Christmas. It was like a present from me to me. I've wanted an iPad for the longest, but I just never got it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it for myself for Christmas. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. So yeah, I just got a big iPad screen protector, because I don't know about me, yeah, but if I buy like a device, I can't use the device till I have like my screen protector, my case. Like when I got it, do you guys do that as well? Because for me, I can't use anything till I have like the case, all the accessories. Like, yeah. And then I got a case. Initially, I was gonna get like an all black case, you know, to match my aesthetic, but I saw this and I thought this was cute, so I got this instead. It's silver. I thought this was gonna be clear, but it came silver, so yeah. But it's silver, and then it's clear on the back, and then it has like the pencil holder, because majority of people that have iPads Pros have like a pencil. And then this is how it looks. Let me take this off. And then this is how it looks. So you can like fold it like this, or you can have it like this. Yeah, it's really cute. It wasn't that expensive. It was like I think it was like £10. So, do you just want to get an iPad first, or do you want to see the rest of the stuff that I bought? I'm gonna show you guys the iPad, because I'm showing you guys the accessories. So I got me, oh, it's on ground. I don't like TikTok, does TikTok sound. I think that iPad. I don't know. How does this song go again? Oh, do you know my life's not together? I don't have an iPad.
It's because I ain't got an iPad. Like, no, I cracked the code. That's the reason. And every time I see somebody who's like together or is at peace in life, they have an iPad.
Obviously, if you're getting an iPad, you need a little something. Initially, I was gonna get a fake one from Amazon. As you know, there's Amazon. What's it called? The Amazon. The fake ones. I was gonna get that, but then I was just like, go big or go home. So I just decided to get it from Amazon. No, from Apple. And I think I got it with student discount, so it was cheaper. It was like, instead of 120, it was 106. So got me a cute little deal. This is the Apple Pencil Generation 2. Yeah, basically I got my Apple Pencil here. I got it with like this, because I got it off Apple. I basically got like this custom engraving thing where I had like my name on it. I'm gonna insert the clip when I do it. Last but not least, I got, this is my last package, I think. Yeah. But look at the packaging. Oh my god, it's so cute. Basically, these journals are from Video 413. This YouTuber I watch, her name is Lashaii. So she sells these journals, and I got them from her. And they're super cute. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Hold on. Let me take a picture real quick. Pictures. So yeah, I'm gonna probably use that as a thumbnail. But so yeah, she sells these journals, these like motivational journals and stuff. So I had to support, and I bought me a set. Got a bundle. That's what's called. I bought me a bundle. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Okay. Okay, girl. This is the first one. This is the Fill Me Up journal. I'm gonna use this for like my business ideas and stuff inside it. So they all come individually wrapped. So I get your together journal. This is like my 2022 goal setting journal. So I'm gonna write all my goals in here. It says safe space. It says manifest your life. Journal by Kyle. So this is my favorite one. So it basically just says what do I see for myself. Then it has a date and look on the back. But yeah, it's super cute. It's a lot bigger. I thought it was going to be a bit smaller, but it's a lot bigger than I thought, which is good though, because I can wrap more. But that is it for my mini unboxing. But yeah, it's been a good week. I hit 1K on TikTok. Some people was like, oh, still not deep to me. Guys, we hit 1K on TikTok. We hit 1K on TikTok, baby. Baby. We hit 1K on TikTok. I know some people can be like, it's just 1K, it's not that deep. To me, it's deep. To me, if you know the journey I've had with TikTok, I'm not gonna lie, the background is a bit messy, but you guys gonna just have to bear with me. Come on here with my bonnet, but here we go. I still look cute, so what about it? Just comment down below if you found me from TikTok and subscribe to me from TikTok. Comment down below TikTok subby or TikTok subscriber. I don't know. So like it. Just be like TikTok subby in the comments so I know my girls from TikTok. It's Chelsea J. Sorry. She's another one of my faves on TikTok. Much. I think her content is just amazing. Like her edits, the angles. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. Just like to start doing TikToks. I literally found her page and I've been obsessed. I love her as well. I love this. The bag is whole. Other UK girl I see do mini vlogs. I love her content. She gives me rich girl energy, rich girl vibes. I think her name is pronounced Toni. I love her as well. Like her content just gives rich girl boss energy in my bag. Like ugh, I'm trying to be like you. I'm trying to see what this be like. Married on TikTok, go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna link it down below. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Hope you guys. Oh, happy new year! I don't think I've seen you guys to see it. Happy new year. Catch you guys later. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to comment TikTok subby if you're from TikTok. And yeah. To-do list for today, I'm gonna insert it on the screen, so pull it up. This is my to-do list for today. The first thing on my to-do list was to start the vlog. I'm doing that right now. The next thing I need to do is unpack my stick, upload my vlog. Basically I did a vlog which you have probably already seen. It's a vlog before this one. Let me get my laptop so I can do it. But yeah, I was uploading this vlog yesterday. It took literally 8 hours to upload. 8 hours. And it wasn't even a long vlog. It was just 12 minutes and it took 8 hours to upload. And then I uploaded it. It got copyrighted, so I had to re-upload it. I'm currently re-uploading it. It's currently 3%. Guys, I've been uploading this vlog since 2 o'clock. It's currently like 4 o'clock now. It's so annoying. And I need to plan out my YouTube content. I need to plan out my TikTok content. I need to do my vision board, complete my to-do list. I need to tidy up this mess that I created. I need to tidy up this mess that I created from unboxing the packages. But I need to tidy up my mess. But I just finished setting up my iPad. So yeah, put the case on it and everything. But now I just need to log into TikTok, log into Instagram, and just continue editing it. I'm gonna make like a vision board and put it on as a screensaver for my iPad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a password. I don't know. Yeah, maybe not. But yeah, my iPad is set up. It looks so cute. My Apple Pencil. It looks so cute. It just has my name on it. Ugh, I'm in love. Okay, just a little quick, cute little iPad tour. Okay, entertainment, we have music, this podcast. Oh, there's a podcast I've been listening to recently. Let me show you guys. Girls, Me Girls. It's really good. I found them on Instagram. Oh, that shit listen to them. It's a really good podcast. But anyways, back to the iPad tour. And then we have Instagram. We have TikTok. I need to log in. Yeah, there's literally nothing on there really. But yeah, that's my iPad. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vloggy vlog. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Guys, I'm about to go live. I'm actually so scared. Yeah, I'm about to go live. I'm gonna do my skincare. And yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare. Wow, I got live. I'm actually scared. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Alexa, pause the music. Alexa, pause the music. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm about to go live now. I'm actually so scared because I've never been live before on Instagram, TikTok, or anything. So I'm scared. My battery's about to die. Ah! Okay guys, I'm about to go live. Hopefully it goes well. See you guys later. Yeah, hi to my YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube. Oh my gosh.
You know how to peg and chit chat goals. I like R's and O's. I don't need no tic-tac-toe. Been with Chels through highs and lows. We seen man last night, we froze. Was no cameras, was no pose. Just like that one time at Trello. Good thing, man, we're pulling out phones. Stay in big 6'6" with walls. Man, start dissing and doing reposts. They
Oh, okay, they're awesome. Thank you.
never getting up close. Loyal to Oaks, I've taken an oath. Versace Hotel and I'm taking a rose. Seen him in person, I'm seeing the goals. They told me relaxing and taking control. Take all that shit up with me and just grow. I wish you the best, let me know how it goes. Wanna be free and I wanna let go. Came around and you showed us the most. I know so much shit that I cannot expose. I keep it inside and I laugh on my own. Got all the tea and I'm hot.
Guys, so it is currently 2 o'clock. My Sainsbury's delivery just came in. I normally don't do online shopping, like food online shopping, but the way these cases are rising is very scary. And I'm not trying to be out here in these streets. No. So I just decided to do my food shopping online. So let's put these groceries away. So I've got pancake, my Lucky Charms cereal because my jack season is gold, orange sense milk. But you got sausage. I bought some. That is literally everything I bought.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do.
Hey guys, I just finished unpacking my box. It's completely empty. But yeah. I'll see you guys later. Currently 10:51. Watching a new episode of Power. Oh! I'm so excited. So there's a new episode today. So I'm about to watch it and then go to bed. But yeah, do you guys watch Power? Comment down below what you guys thought about this episode, because I am hooked on Power. Like, I love me some Power. But yeah, I'm about to watch it and then take myself to bed. Bye guys.
Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted.